a volcano today.
Hi, I'm Brock.
And I'm Tilly.
Want to make a volcano with us?
Watch this.
Deep under the ground, the earth is very hot. Sometimes, the heat escapes as a volcano.
First, we need some clay.
Mold the clay into the shape of a volcano.
Okay, the volcano is ready.
Add some baking soda into the volcano.
Let's add some red food coloring.
Finally, vinegar.
Whoa! It's bubbling.
Ooh!
Yay!
Subscribe to explore with us. Bubby-EO!